What if every thought you had instantly became reality? Would it bless your life or destroy it? This is the story of a man whose own thoughts became his greatest enemy. Long ago in ancient times, a pilgrim was traveling on foot through dense forests. In those days, there were no vehicles, no comfort, only long, tiring journeys on bare feet. After days of walking, exhausted, hungry, and weak, he finally collapsed under a tree. Breathing heavily, he muttered to himself, "People with wealth are so lucky. They travel on horses, elephants, palanquins, and here I am, suffering like this." Thirst consumed him. If only I could get some cool water right now, he thought. Suddenly, a golden glass filled with crystal clear water appeared right beside him. Shocked, yet desperate, he picked it up and drank it instantly. "This must be a divine place," he whispered. After quenching his thirst, hunger struck him hard. "If only I could get a delicious meal," he wished. And just like that, plates of food appeared before him. Rich dishes, curries, sweets, fried snacks, ghee, papad, a royal feast fit for a king. After days of starvation, he ate to his heart's content. "Ah, what a blessing!" he sighed. Now satisfied, he thought, some betel leaves would be perfect now. Instantly, golden plates appeared with fragrant betel leaves and spices. He enjoyed them too. Feeling relaxed, he stretched his body. If only there was a soft bed to lie on. In a moment, a comfortable bed appeared. He lay down happily. But then a thought crept into his mind. "Wait, since I came here, everything I wished for is appearing. What if there's a ghost or a demon or a Brahma Rakshasa living on this tree?" The moment he thought that, a terrifying Brahma Rakshasa jumped down from the tree. The man trembled in fear. "Oh no, it will eat me," he panicked, and instantly Brahma Rakshasa devoured him. But here's the truth: there was no demon, there was no Brahma Rakshasa. The tree was actually a Kalpavruksha, a divine wish fulfilling tree. It grants whatever you think. His wishes gave him comfort, but his fear created his destruction. So, my dear friends, your mind is your Kalpavruksha. Whatever you think slowly becomes your reality. If you constantly think, "I am unlucky, my life is full of problems," you create your own suffering. But if you think, "I am blessed, I will grow, good things will come," you begin to transform your life. Even pain can turn into strength through the power of your thoughts. So be careful, because the same mind that can build your life can also destroy it. So from this day forward, control your thoughts before your thoughts control your destiny.